Today is September 16th, 2016. What are you opening?
iPhone.
Wow, you opened it already?
Oh, you got an iPhone 7 Plus? You're so lucky, Winnie. I wish I have iPhone 7 Plus.
Oh, what do you see?
iPhone.
What is that over there?
That's an iPhone.
Okay.
What's inside, Winnie? Oh, Winnie, what's inside? What's this?
What's that? No, you don't open that. Don't open that.
Don't open that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So what else is there?
What's inside?
This.
And what's that?
And this
Oh,
is
the
a
headphone. Oh, wow.
That's
Two
a
of
new
them.
headphone.
And what's that? Oh, that's the charger.
So it's a cordless headphone?
Wow. A cordless headphone.
Oh, it's a headphone that has no cord.
Wow.
Oh my god, that's so nice. Cordless headphone?
What color is the iPhone, Winnie?
What color is that?
You're 6.5 now.
Pink.
Pink?
How do I turn on the
Whoa.
phone?
Okay.
Alright.